Hello friends, I would like to tell you about the mounting system for accessory installation on a transom or a seat. The system can be mounted fast and it doesn't damage the installation surface. The design consists of a body, 2 mounts, a clamping screw, and a clamp. Is fixed in the installation site by a swivel screw. This screw can tilt, which allows the system to be installed also on tubes. The clamp is made of polyurethane and follows a radius shape. The system has a soft insert which helps to save the installation site from damage. The system is compatible with all BORIKA FASTen accessories. The main parts of a product are made of fiberglass-reinforced polyamide. The plug and the soft insert of PVC. Fasteners of a ISI 304 stainless steel. I personally guarantee the high quality of BORIKA products because I'm their creator, inspirer, and active user.